Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Radl here. I'm going to read you one of my very favorite stories today. It's called Commotion in the Ocean, and I want you to pay attention and see if you can hear the rhyming words in this story. There's a lot of things to learn about these animals in the ocean. There's a curious commotion at the bottom of the ocean. I think we ought to go take a look. You'll find every sort of creature that lives beneath the sea swimming through the pages of this book. There are dolphins, whales, and penguins. There are jellyfish and sharks. There's the turtle and the big white polar bear. But can you see behind the wrecks and in between the rocks? Let's take a look and find out who is hiding there. Crab. The crab likes walking sideways, and I think the reason why is to make himself look sneaky and pretend that he's a spy. Turtles. We crawl up the beach from the water to bury our eggs on dry land. We lay a whole batch, and then when they hatch, they scamper about in the sand, and they head back to the ocean. Dolphins. The wonderful thing about dolphins is hearing them try to speak. It's not, "How do you do?" as I say to you. It's more of a click, whistle, squeak. Angelfish. Hello, I'm the angelfish, darling, the prettiest thing in the sea. What a shame there are no more other creatures as gorgeous and as lovely as me. And here's the jellyfish, jiggle, jiggle. The jellyfish just loves to jiggle, which other fish think is quite dumb. She knows that it's not all that useful, but jiggling is a good load of fun. Here's the shark. I swim with a grin up to greet you. See how my jaws open wide? Why don't you come a bit closer? Please take a good look inside. And they're saying, yikes. I love to chase after small fishes. It keeps me from getting too bored. And when I start feeling hungry, I skewer a few on my sword. That's the swordfish. Here's the octopus. Having 8 arms can be useful. You may think it looks a bit funny, but it helps me to hold all my children and tickle each one on the tummy. The stingray. At the bottom of the ocean, the stingray flaps his wings, but don't you get too close to him. His tail really stings. The lobster. Never shake hands with the lobster. It isn't a wise thing to do. With a clippity-clap and a snippity-snap, he will snip all your fingers in two. The deep sea. Miles below the surface, where the water's dark and deep, live the most amazing creatures that you could ever meet. There are fish of all descriptions, of every shape and size. Some have giant pointy teeth and great big bulgy eyes. One of them can walk around and balance on their fins, but the strangest fish of all has glowing whiskers on their chins. The blue whale. There's no other beast on the planet as big as the giant blue whale. He measures a massive 100 feet long from his head to the tip of his tail. We're just a bunch of barnacles, and all we do is cling. We know it's not that glamorous, but it's our favorite thing. Walruses. Our bodies are covered with blubber. Our tusks are incredibly long. We're grumpy and proud, and we bellow out loud to show that we're mighty and strong. Penguins. We waddle around on our icebergs, which makes our feet slither and slide. And when we get close to the water, we leap with a splash off the slide. And polar bears. Deep out of the Arctic, the mommy polar bear snuggles up with her children since it's very cold out there.
Good morning, remarkable readers. It's Mrs. Opfer. I'm so excited to work on a special poem to go along with our theme during reading workshop today. It's all about, you guessed it, the ocean. See if you can give each word 1 point or 1 tap while I kind of read and sing it for you the first time. Here we go. Ocean. Take me out to the ocean. Take me out to the sea. Show me the foamy waves rolling there. As I breathe in the warm salty air, let me look at the ocean. See the sea and explore, for it's fun to dive from the top to the ocean floor. Wow, I can't believe you made it through that whole poem listening to me sing. Woo, sorry about that. But friends, I'm so proud of you. You did a great job giving each word 1 tap or 1 point. I want to ask you some questions about this poem. Do you notice a sight word that repeats at least 3 times? Wow, I heard some great choices. Some friends chose the word look. Look, look, look. Some friends chose the word the. Let's find all of the word the. Ready? The, that's 1. The, that's 2. The, that's 3. The, that's 4. The, that's 5. The, that's 6. The, and 7. The, and 8. Nice work, friends. Today, for the first part of your reading workshop time, I want you to reread or sing this poem to yourself. I want you to pick 1 sight word that you notice repeating in the poem at least 3 times. I want you to highlight that favorite sight word. When you're done, I want you to make a beautiful ocean picture with at least 5 colors and 5 details so that our pictures and our words match.